C&Ssafety 18 years, zero recall. During the casting and polishing process, it generates a significant amount of dust. Inhale fine aluminum, iron, copper dust, it lodges deep in your lungs. Over time, lungs harden, a feeling of being filled with cement.
The KN95 standard is 95%, C&Ssafety achieves 99%.
最近舒适度怎么样？
The CS mask offers low resistance, high efficiency, protection in a gentle, skin-friendly, silicone design, high-temperature welding, creates toxic iron, manganese, and chromium smoke. Carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides are also released and easily inhaled. A proper dust mask blocks these dangerous particles, minimizing their harm. Let you take every deep breath with confidence.